This is what I learned. In the game of baseball, a great batting average is 300. And I was like, so you mean to tell me that somebody can make $300 million contract for hitting the ball 3 out of 10 times? That means somebody who's hitting the ball 1 out of 10 is getting at least 100 million. But see,
That's
we've been
crazy.
so conditioned that we have to be perfect and that we got to hit a home run. No, we just have to be able to hit the ball good enough until it starts to pay us or until it starts to pay off for us. And I think also often, and it reminds me of that picture or that meme of the person digging for gold. You got so many people who've been digging and then they turn around and give up, not knowing that the gold is like 5 more swipes away versus the individual who just kept going. And so we have to understand that you don't have to be great. And here's where I think we also have kind of diluted this journey on entrepreneurship. So many people think they got to be great at everything. I'm going to give an unpopular opinion. I personally think that the 7 streams of income is bad advice. And here's why. It's bad advice because people think they got to be good at 7 different things. No, what you do is you get really good at one thing, you create an additional 6 streams of income within that wheelhouse. And
Yes.
so going back to the batting average, we just got to be able to hit the ball 1 to 2 times out of 10 sometimes, because it only takes you to get one good yes, one good swing. And again, I don't always have to hit a home run. So everybody's not going to make 7 figures a year, but you can have a very good life at 6 figures. So, and I tell people, like, stop comparing your chapter 1 to other people's chapter 15. So many people who try to compare themselves to me, not knowing that I've been on this journey for 20 years and I failed 14 of them. You didn't see that part. And so that's what I'm always having to share with
Oh
people.
man, I love it.